Stop! Before you go out and splurge on the new Pochette Metis backpack, watch this video. I have a hack that will save you almost $3,000. Welcome to the handbag heaven. Welcome back to returning subscribers. Today, on this Make It Monday, I will be sharing this ultimate hack with you. For those of you who think that the Pochette Metis backpack is not worth the $3,000 price tag, then get ready to save some money. Especially those of you who already have the OG Pochette Metis, like I do. I did a recent review of the new Pochette Metis backpack. So make sure you check out that video for details on the design, style, and value. However, in this video, I will be showing you how I hacked my OG Pochette Metis bag to convert it to a backpack. So let's get started. There are 3 steps involved. Step 1, make custom D-ring attachment. Step 2, add D-ring attachment. Step 3, add straps. Step 1, I will make the custom D-ring attachment. This step is pretty easy. Basically, you need to cut the leather to fit around the Pochette Metis top handle. I will be using this die cutter knife as well as this machine. I will put a link to the listings in the description area just in case you would like to purchase them. Now let's make the attachment. To cut, put the leather on the cutting board, then the cutting knife on the leather. Once all lined up, pull the lever. If you don't have a die cutter machine, then you can use this tool. Next, I will add a snap button closure to each end of the leather. So when it comes to the snaps, I chose black. I use this tool to squeeze the snaps to the leather. Okay, now that the snaps have been added, I will add the actual D-ring to the leather attachment. In step 2, I will add the D-ring attachment to the Pochette Metis top handle. Here I'm going to wrap the leather around the top handle and snap it closed. Last, step 3, I will add the straps to the bag. I purchased 2 black straps from Amazon. So basically, I'm just going to attach the strap hook to the new custom D-ring at the top and the original D-rings on both sides of the bag. Now the bag has been hacked. In addition to being worn by the top handle, shoulder, and crossbody, this bag can also be worn as a backpack. I do not want the bag to be heavy. I'm just not comfortable with that much weight on the D-ring attachment. Also, the D-ring attachment is very snug, so I was very careful when adding it to the top handle. I don't want to cause any wear on the top handle. But other than that, I think the bag will be fine. However, I do recommend that you test before using. Instead of creating the custom attachment, you can purchase the kit. But keep in mind that the kit is not available in black. I absolutely love this alternative. This hack makes the bag even more versatile now. I can't wait to style it with looks like my previous Throwback Thursday fits. Let's talk in the comments. What do you think of this hack? If you have the OG Pochette Metis, do you think you will hack it? I will see you in the next video, in which I will be breaking down the design, style, and value of the Empire, Coach's new It bag. I'm trying to find out why this bag is going viral. So make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.